Welcome to our 7th tutorial in Photoshop. This time we'll focus on the text tool, one of the most used and favorite tool by typographers all over the world. Start by clicking on the T icon on the left. As you can see, I pretty much can type anything I want in my text font picked from the side here. I can select bold, italics, underline, and more. Things like all caps, small caps, stuff like that. Of course, make sure your text is showing up in the correct color that you need for your image. Here, I've selected to make sure that it stands out from the image. Also, as you learned from before, text occupies its own layer, and if you need to select the text quickly, you can hold Control and click on the T icon on the layer as well to select all the text that you've written out. From there, you can change some other settings on other pages of the text panel, including paragraph settings, layout, and more. One last thing, you can click and drag a selection area of where text will go exclusively into. Text has a lot more functions that you can use with it, including vertical, if you so choose. So have fun!